Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 reset stock at number. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD. After that, run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then after that, we're going to type sfc space / scan now. After that, click on enter. After that, let's wait for Windows scan to finish. And then once it is done, what we're going to do next is to type DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. After that, click on enter. And then after that, once it is done, we're going to click on the Windows icon, and then we're going to restart our PC. And then once it is done, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.